Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a social security number. First, determine if you are eligible to apply. Next, gather all required documents, such as proof of identity and citizenship. Then, complete the application form accurately. Finally, submit your application and supporting documents to the Social Security Administration. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth process for obtaining your Social Security number. To be eligible, you must be a United States citizen or an authorized non-citizen. You will need to provide original documents proving your age, identity, and United States citizenship or immigration status. For example, a United States birth certificate or passport can serve as proof of citizenship and age. A state-issued identification card, or driver's license, is often used for identity verification. Ensure all documents are originals, not photocopies. The first step is to complete Form SS5, the application for a Social Security card. While you cannot fully apply online, you can start the process by filling out the form electronically on the Social Security Administration's website. After completing the form, you will need to print it and then mail or bring your original documents to a local Social Security office. This ensures your information is processed correctly and securely. After submitting your application and original documents, the Social Security Administration will process your request. You can typically expect to receive your new Social Security card in the mail within 7 to 14 business days. Your original documents will be returned to you, usually separately from the card, so keep an eye out for both. Remember to keep your Social Security card in a safe place once it arrives. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.